In this example, I will calculate the remaining amount. John has $325. If he gives 30% of his amount to Smith, what is the remaining amount of John? To calculate paid amount, active cell reference C11, enter equal sign, multiply the values of these two cells. Click this cell reference, enter multiplication operator. As this cell has paid rate value with percentage symbol, you do not need to divide by 100. Excel automatically divide the value by 100 if cell has value with percentage symbol. Click this cell reference, press enter key. Excel returns paid amount $97.50 in this cell with 30% rate. John gives to Smith 30% amount. In this cell, I have calculated 30% amount is $97.50. So John pays to Smith $97.50 from his money $325. Now I calculate remaining amount of John. He has total money $325. He pays to Smith $97.50. So how much John has remaining amount? Active this cell reference. Subtract the total amount value and paid amount value. Then you will get remaining amount. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter subtraction operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. John has remaining amount $227.50. He pays to Smith $97.50 from his money $325, and he has remaining amount $227.50. If you add these two cells values, you will have a result equal to total amount value. If your result equal to total amount value, it means your calculation is correct.